Marcus, do you like your chalkboard? Oh, sorry. Do you like your easel? Marcus, can you say thank you to Auntie Claire for your present? Marcus. Marcus. Can you say thank you? Auntie Claire. Oh. Marcus really likes his new art easel. Do you really like it? Marcus. It's a little tall, but he'll grow into it. And look, Thomas and Peter are helping Marcus make a beautiful picture.
Up high.
Yeah, you got it up high. Good job. Should we say Merry Christmas? You can, Marcus, you can dump them in the tray if you want. There you go. Okay, let's say, can you say bye to the camera? Bye-bye. Okay. Say Merry Christmas. Marcus, can you say Merry Christmas? Or are you too busy? Okay, Marcus is too busy right now. Okay, bye-bye.